Alright, Jay Woods here. KTAuthentics Sports and Memorabilia and Cards. Gonna do a box of Showcase. The last box we have in the shop for djkb. Corey Perry, Matt O'Connor, Brandon Gallagher, Evgeny Malkin. Jerry hates his free packs. Jerry hates his free packs. Yeah, this is the last box we have in the shop, Jerry. This is the last box. I have SPX Hockey. We got a triple Hot Trios Prospects out of $5.99. We got Ryan Carpenter, Ryan Dingle, and Phil D. Yeah, these guys. Phil D. Giespe. So, Zon, what do you think about the Sharks matchup? Sergei Plotnikov, Metal Universe. Your jersey is Steven Stamkos. Steven Stamkos jersey. Thank you, Jerry. I appreciate the sentiment. Blue Ice, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Veteran Blue Ice are 49 of 99. We got Mike Bossy. Row 1. Mikko Rantanen. Metal Universe. Nikolai Goldobin for the hated San Jose Sharks. Dylan Larkin, Metal Universe. Blake Wheeler, Flair Showcase. Miko, yep. Red PMG. You get a rookie patch autograph, and either 2 jerseys or an autograph and a jersey. You're chasing the PMGs basically. 150 Mikko Rantanen. Yeah, he's on a Panarin kick right now. Zon. This is the last box I have in the case, though. Is that autoed? Nope. This is why you don't leave boxes behind. 288 of 299. 3-color. Jack Eichel. Jack Eichel Hot Prospects patch. 3-color. Wow, Jerry. All right, Jerry, this is going to the house then, since you're not happy with it. I think this is a pretty nasty patch in it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yep, for the Ottawa Senators, nasty 3-color patch autograph. Matt Pumpel out of 499. That is a nasty patch in there. Pretty good box, man. Pretty good box. Thanks, Jerry. Appreciate it.